I want to talk to you about the business credit cards soft pull from credit unions this year. Okay, so here's a list I want you to pay attention to. First of all, you have Service Credit Union, Visa, Business Platinum. This business credit card is actually a soft pull, so you can pre-qualify before you actually have a hard pull. So that's kind of cool. And this is a wonderful business credit card from a credit union that allows you to actually earn 1.5 points for every dollar spent, and also you can enjoy great benefits. Okay, now the soft pull actually happens on the public website of a Service Credit Union or through their mobile app. Okay, so you got to be a member first, and Service actually has a military affiliation, so a military slash law enforcement as let's say affiliation. So, but you can qualify actually elsewhere without being in the military or without having any sort of military affiliation. You can qualify. But the cool thing is that this business credit card actually is really great because it's perfect for small business owners of all sizes. You can enjoy benefits such as an auto rental collision damage waiver, purchase security and extended protection, roadside dispatch, travel and emergency assistance services, and also you have a cell phone protection plan, all while earning a set of you choose rewards points for every dollar spent. So that's kind of cool. And the maximum limit on this credit card here is $50,000. The APR goes from 14% to 18%. There are no annual fees. There are no foreign transaction fees. There are no hidden APR increases for late payments. So that's kind of cool. Okay, but what you will love with this card is that you have a soft pull. You have Visa's travel and emergency assistance service. You have purchase security. That's really good. You have extended warranty protection, cellular phone protection. And what I want to say here is that if you want to increase your chances of having a higher limit on higher credit limit on this account, you want to be with Service for at least 3 months before you qualify. I mean, Service has no restriction when it comes to how early you have to be with them, but the longer you are with them, the better. So if you're with them for at least 3 months, they will give you a higher limit. Of course, you got to have the proper business financials also. Okay, Service is not going to ask you your business financial statements, but they'll look at your cash inflows and cash outflows. So they'll look at your transactional value. If you are looking for business credit cards soft pull from credit unions this year, I want you to think about BlueFed Business Rewards. BlueFed Business Rewards is really fantastic, and basically you are able to get pre-qualified for this business credit cards either through the website or by calling customer service. BlueFed wants you to be a customer for at least three months before you can actually a business customer, that is, for at least 3 months before you can apply for this card. And this is a rewards business credit card, so you have a lot of possibilities here. You can earn and redeem your rewards. The cool thing about BlueFed is that regardless of your geography, you can really qualify. So you don't have to live in New York or whatever. No, no, no. You don't have to be affiliated with an organization. You don't have to be a member of a certain family, somebody who works for BlueFed. No, no, no. Of course, those paths also are great when it comes to membership, but you can qualify by actually donating to a charity. Okay. The APR on the BlueFed Business Rewards is pretty straightforward, 17 to 20%. Okay, so this is a soft pull business credit card from a credit union, and you are able to you are able to qualify for a maximum credit limit of $50,000. Okay, and so good thing about this card is that you earn one reward point for every dollar you spend. So this is kind of cool, and you can access the catalog of in terms of redeeming your points. You can access the catalog through BlueFed's online banking system, Blue Digital, to find a reward that you like to redeem your points on. So that's really good. You also love the fact that with this card, you have a extended warranty. So that's part of the additional benefits. You have extended warranty. You also have Master Assist. So Master Assist is really great also. So Master Assist provide assistance to cardholders and their dependents who are traveling at least 100 miles from the cardholder's city of residence with 24/7 emergency assistance services. And services include emergency medical and legal referrals. You have emergency cash, you have tracing, and you have redirecting lost luggage and much more. So that's kind of cool because if you have a business and you do a lot of commuting, you will love that. You will love this sort of perks. If you are looking for business credit cards with soft pull from credit unions this year, I want you to consider CCU Business Visa Platinum Rewards. So CCU stands for Consumers Credit Union, and you are able to pre-qualify for this business credit card by actually contacting CCU or by logging into your mobile app. Okay, the maximum limit on this business credit card is $40,000 and can go all the way to $100,000 if you have the right relationship with CCU, but also the right type of financials. Okay, and so this is actually a platinum rewards sort of account. So this is kind of cool. And the even better, you have this card that has a no annual fee. Okay, so again, credit limits $40,000 to $100,000, and there is no credit check, at least in the preliminary stage. Okay, and additional cards are available for employees at no cost, and they cap the number of employees at 99. So 99 employee cards with no cost. You have individualized credit limits available for additional cards. So, for instance, what happens here is that CCU will set a certain limit for the organization as a whole, and based on that, they will subdivide. Actually, they will sub allocate, if you will, individual credit limits for your topmost employees. Okay, you have a secure online account review and payment options from the CCU website. So that's really good if you love to monitor those types of things. You also have Visa's zero liability. Means that what? It means that you are protected if your card is lost or stolen. You have a 24-hour member service with live representative. During normal CCU business hours, you want to call 877-275-2228, or after hours, you want to call 866-317-0355. So that's really good. And if you are looking for a business credit card, soft pull from a credit union, this CCU Business Visa Platinum Rewards is really great because you do have additional benefits. Can you imagine you have 3-to-1 rewards pricing? So you can earn 3x the points per dollar spent on office needs, 2x for for the points for travel, dining, and gas, and you can earn 1x points for all other purchases. If you're looking for a business credit card soft pull from a credit union, I want to introduce you another consumers credit union business credit card. This is actually the a very good one also. This is the CCU Business Visa Platinum. Okay, and this card is also really great. Now the maximum limit on this card goes from $25,000 to $50,000. It's not as generous as the CCU Business Visa Platinum Rewards. Okay, so this one is a more, if you will, a more decent, a more classic business credit cards. Of course, you have no annual fee. There are no rewards, of course. You have no fee cash advances. Additional cards available for employees at no cost. So here we are speaking about 99 employees. That's the maximum that you can have here. Individualized credit limits available for additional cards. Again, remember the maximum limit. We are speaking about $50,000. Okay, and so this is kind of cool. But for you to actually have a clear idea about what this card actually offers, you want to go to a platform called 360 Control. This is where you'll see everything from your CCU accounts, and this is kind of cool because CCU does a great job at showing you your cash inflows and cash outflows. Cash inflows in terms of how much you are actually earning in benefits, if any, and how much you are spending. So this is actually the cash outflows, and you can actually sync the 360 Control to your accounting platform. So that's kind of cool. There is actually a possibility to integrate the 360 Control dashboard to your, let's say, to your QuickBooks account, or to your FreshBooks account, to your Zoho Books account. I mean, to your accounting, to your accounting software. That's kind of cool, and you can really do this seamlessly. And so you can basically manage your business credit cards using 360 Control. Like, you can make payments, you can control, let's say, employee card limits. You know, you can cancel cards, you can issue new cards, you can generate reports. That's really good. You can generate reports. You also can set travel notifications. So again, you have a lot of control here. Okay, and the cool thing is everything happens within 360, and you can also get this 360 Control through the app also. If you are looking for the business credit cards soft pull from credit union, I want you to think about ACU Business Visa. So ACU stands for America's Credit Union, and this is a fantastic credit card that's very generous because ACU will give you a maximum credit limit of $100,000. Okay, this is a pre-qual credit card, business credit card. So you can actually you can see a link. So there are three ways that ACU will work with you to make sure you pre-qualify for this business credit card. You can actually receive a solicitation from ACU in the mail. So snail mail, you get a letter from them and they tell you, hey, listen, enter this code. They go online and enter this code and you pre-qualify. So that's actually the snail mail version. You also have the email version. So ACU will send you an email either through your email address or through the mobile app, and basically you pre-qualify for this credit card, this business credit card. And the third option is you can call. If you call ACU, they will actually pre-qualify over the phone. So this is kind of cool. You're able to get all kinds of capabilities. And even what you will love with this card is that you have a fixed rate of 16.99%. That's really good. I mean, when you think about all the other players, they're charging you crazy like 20% or even 26%, or even Capital One is charging you 30%. Okay, so that's so 16%. That's really reasonable. But account for you want to remember that you have a $49 annual fee. The first year is waived, but the subsequent years are actually going to see you being charged $49. You have a 2% cash back on all purchases minus returns. So we are speaking about the net purchases. And you have a secure EMV credit card, so you can use this credit card in areas where with payments that accept EMV. Okay, the chip. You have a savings edge. You have a benefits package. So the cool thing about ACU Business Visa is that you are able to have a purchase security process as well as extended protection. You have an auto rental collision damage waiver. You also have a travel and emergency assistance services. That's really good. And if you activate and make 5 purchases within the first 30 days of opening, you will receive $100. If you are looking for business credit cards, a soft pull from credit unions, I want you to really think about Fairwind's Business Cash Visa. And here is a wonderful business credit card from a credit union. And basically, you can pre-qualify for this card, and you can pre-qualify 4 ways. Okay, you can pre-qualify through a public link on the website. You can pre-qualify over the phone. You can pre-qualify at a branch, or you can pre-qualify in the mail. Okay, so that's totally possible. So Fairwind wants to spread the wealth, if you will. So they're really trying to democratize the whole process of you qualifying. And so this is a cashback visa, as the name implies. The maximum you can actually qualifying credit limit here is $75,000. And but the more you've been with Fairwinds, the more limit they will grant you. So it's a matter of forging a tighter relationship with Fairwinds to qualify. And in terms of membership is not a problem. Also, you can qualify regardless of your geography, your biology, or your profession. Okay. So here you receive 1.5% cash back. So you have unlimited cash back on all purchases. You also have up to $2,000 bonus cash back. So that's pretty good. You have a 0% intro APR. So here you have an intro rate on purchases and balance transfers for the first 12 months after account opening. So that's really good. And you have more benefits and savings for you depending on for your business, depending on the setup that you have. Okay, you can receive a welcome bonus of $500 cash back when you spend $5,000 in the first 90 days your card is open, and you'll receive $1,500 in additional cash back when you spend $50,000 in the first 180 days your card is open. So this is kind of cool. So you have the potential to actually qualify for $2,000 in bonus. And so the 0% intro APR is available for the first 12 months on purchases and balance transfers. Can you imagine? It's not just on balance transfers, it's also on purchases. Not a lot of business credit cards allow you to have this sort of flexibility, but basically Fairwinds actually allows you to have that. So this is kind of cool. And after the intro period, you have low rates that range from 18% all the way to 28%. And there are no balance transfer fees, no annual fees, and no foreign transaction fees. So my question to you is, why do you need a business credit card from a credit union for? Do you need it for the cashback rewards? Do you need it for the flexibility, the liquidity? Like, what do you need it for? Because your needs are going to dictate whether you go for service CU, whether you go for Blue Fed, CCU Visa, ACU Visa. It really depends. If you are looking for business credit cards, a soft pull from credit unions, I want you to think about American Heritage Business Cash Rewards. This card is really great. It's very generous. So you have the possibility to have up to 100,000 in credit limits. You have the possibility to actually be basically American Heritage will increase. They will review your account, your credit card account every 6 months, and they will increase your credit limits. Okay, the maximum limit you can have here is $100,000, and so you are able to actually have a pre-qualification link on the company website. On the company's website, you can pre-qualify, not a problem, and everything happens within 1 minute. Within 1 minute, you can be sure whether you qualify or not. Okay, that's really good. And you can actually this is a cashback account. So the card is called the American Heritage Business Cash Rewards. It is a cashback account, okay, that allows you, for instance, to earn cashback for your business purchases, okay. And so you just want to choose a card that is simple to use and gives back to your business, get automatic rewards for all your transactions. So basically, you have 1.5% cashback on all purchases, no limits, no exclusion, up to 10 cards available with business and employee names. So that's kind of cool. You can earn $500 cash rewards when you spend $5,000 in the first 90 days. So in terms of flexibility, you will love that aspect of things. The card has a no annual fee, so that's kind of cool. You have the MasterCard network benefits. That's really fantastic. So what are those benefits here? Well, as a MasterCard cardholder, you have immediate access to the following premium benefits: $1 million travel accident insurance, MasterCard concierge service that includes 15% savings on airport meet and greet services at more than 700 worldwide locations. So that's really good in terms of flexibility. You have extended warranties. You have price protection. So this is really good. You have MasterCard identity theft resolution services, MasterCard lost and stolen card reporting. You have emergency card replacement. You have emergency cash advance. And you also have the MasterCard zero liability policy. So that's really good also. So here's an epilogue into this conversation. I spoke to you about business credit cards, a soft pull from credit unions. You have the list, and then you have the epilogue. In terms of the list, you have Service CU Visa Business Platinum, Blue Fed Business Rewards, CCU Business Visa Platinum Rewards, CCU Business Visa Platinum, ACU Business Visa, Fairwinds Business Cash Visa, and also American Heritage Business Cash Rewards. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.